This film supplements the instructions for use and serves to aid understanding. This film is not a substitute for reading and understanding the instructions for use. It is also not a replacement for mandatory instructions or training courses. Not all products, features, or services mentioned in this video are available for sale in all countries. Contact your local Dräger representative for more information. Mentioned trademarks are only registered in certain countries and not necessarily in the country in which this material is released. Go to dräger.com/trademarks to find the current status. In this video, we're demonstrating how to clean a Dräger Bodyguard. Appropriate protective clothing should always be worn for this purpose. If the bodyguard is heavily soiled, for example due to a fire, pre-cleaning should be carried out. This can be done with a lint-free cloth. Here, the pre-cleaning has already been done. Before cleaning, first check the pH value to ensure that the correct dosage has been observed, as per the instructions for use. The bodyguard must not be dipped or placed into the immersion bath for cleaning. Clean the bodyguard with a soft, lint-free cloth, shown here in orange, a double-sided soft sponge, and/or a brush. The cleaning residues are then removed with water and a soft, lint-free cloth, shown here in blue. To prevent contamination of the cloth, this should be done outside of the contaminated area and basin. Place the cleaned parts in the basket in preparation for drying. The devices are then dried either in ambient air or in a drying cabinet at a temperature below 60 degrees Celsius.